Hey everybody, this is Evan with the Grainiac. If you like beef jerky, do not miss this video. Say we're going to be using half this package of beef, 2¼ pounds beef. Got the recipe there that I used. I'm going to be rolling it out after I mix it up. You want to mix up that beef real good. You want to break up as much as you can because you want it to stick together really good. So press it all in there, roll it out, try to make it as even as possible. I'm going to be cutting the strips with the knife, and then you just set it into the dehydrator. You should be done paying $25 a pound for beef jerky. You can make some at home for as little as, $4 a pound with the maple syrup, the honey. Got my little helper here. If he can do it, you can do it too. So I just cut it into strips, and then once you get it down to the dehydrator, it pulls out of there pretty easy. Lay it out. Dehydrator set for 160. You can also do it in your oven at 170. You just want to keep tabs on it. If the meat starts sweating, that means it's done. Usually takes 6-7 hours. I rotate it in between at about 3.5. Should all plop down onto the sheet there. Easy peasy. Set up your racks, layer it on there. If your meat's touching a little bit, that's fine because you're going to get some shrinkage. When you're doing the honey maple syrup, I don't use liquid smoke on that because I want the sweetness to come through. If you want, you can try with liquid smoke. That's the beauty of making your own jerky at home. You can make it to taste. It's really easy to play with it, make your own recipes. Don't be afraid, especially when you're just buying ground beef for how cheap it is. It's really fun to make jerky at home. It's rewarding, and your end cost is $5 a pound versus $25 at the store. Buying your Jack Links or your jerky of choice. You can do this with venison, chicken, pork, any kind of ground meat. Everything works really well with this. Again, it's just so easy to make jerky at home, and it's so rewarding. I always bring some in for my coworkers, and they all just love the stuff. I can't keep it around long enough. Kids like it. I like it. It's fun to do. If you want me to try any specific recipes, or if you have any questions, leave some comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment on the page, share it. So once it breaks like that, it means it's done. I have cure in mind, so hopefully it just dries up more and it's not going to go bad. And that's the good thing about cure. It'll just dry out, but it shouldn't go bad. Loading it up, getting in the fridge, and then vacuum seal. Hope you liked the video. Talk to y'all soon.